right, everybody, I'm back here today with a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT. This has got a 1.4 turbo in it. Today we're going to be showing everybody how to change your mass airflow sensor, which is located right here. Really simple job. First thing we're going to do is push up on our locking tab here. Unlock that. We're going to squeeze down on our center section here, pull that up. Comes right out the way. To get this mass airflow sensor out of here, you've got two T25 screws. Probably a better shot from there. We got one at the top, one at the bottom, and we'll just simply undo those. That's what that looks like. Just kind of jiggle your sensor until it comes out of there. That's what it'll look like. Grab your new one, put it back in. Get our screws going. Just snug those up. Put our connector back on. Lock our clip. And that is how you change a mass airflow sensor on 2016 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4 turbo. This helped you out any? Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and I'll see you on the next one.